Management. Management refers to the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals and objectives. It involves coordinating and overseeing the activities of individuals or groups within an organization to ensure efficient and effective use of resources. There are various types of management, including general management, project management, human resource management, and financial management, among others. Each type of management focuses on different aspects and requires specific skills and knowledge. Here are some examples to illustrate the meaning of management. 1. General management. A CEO manages the overall operations of a company, including setting strategic goals, making important decisions, and overseeing various departments. A store manager is responsible for managing the day-to-day operations of a retail store, including inventory management, staff supervision, and customer service. 2. Project management. A construction project manager oversees the planning, execution, and completion of a construction project, ensuring that it is delivered on time and within budget. An event manager coordinates all the necessary activities and resources to plan and execute a successful event, such as a conference or concert. 3. Human resource management. An HR manager is responsible for recruiting, selecting, and training employees, as well as managing employee relations, performance evaluations, and compensation. A training and development manager designs and implements training programs to enhance the skills and knowledge of employees within an organization. 4. Financial management. A financial manager is responsible for managing the financial resources of a company, including budgeting, financial planning, and investment decisions. A personal finance manager helps individuals or families manage their finances, including budgeting, saving, and investment strategies. In each of these examples, management involves the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals and objectives. Effective management is crucial for the success of organizations and projects, as it ensures that resources are utilized efficiently and goals are achieved.